Hello, I am caffeinated. I have my espresso, so let's vibe code a sentiment filter Chrome extension for X. So the idea would be that as we scroll, we're able to have this Chrome extension automatically filter out any hateful or negative posts so that we'd still be on X and feel connected, but not get bummed out. Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay, so to get started, I have cursor open. I have a completely empty repo, and I'm going to speak in the prompt using Whisper. Create a Chrome extension for my X feed where whenever I go on the X feed and begin scrolling, it automatically filters out any posts with negative content. For testing, have it automatically put those negative posts maybe in a Supabase table that have been filtered out. Okay, so it's finished and I've given it all my Supabase credentials. And here we have the filtered posts table that it would go on to populate. Great. Now, how would we run this and test this locally on my X feed to see if it works? Cool. So, love that Cursor added this browser support. This is cool. It's loading in my Twitter here. Okay, open your Chrome extensions and enable developer mode. Developer mode is enabled. Click load unpacked. Cool. Oh, no. Code. Feed filter. Okay, here we are. Go to x.com and scroll. Okay, we added it. Do you see it now? Oh, so it's set up a hard coded check. Okay. Oh no, it's going to Supabase. That's weird. Explain without adding any code what your check is for if a post is filtered out. So this is probably where we'd optimize it to use a small model. Oh, okay. It does check for 80 phrases. That's quite a lot. That's cool. Maybe the hard coded filter will get us far. Okay, let me go on x.com here. I'm gonna pin that. That's cool. Hate. Hate's a strong word. Okay, so let's see if any of these are added. Yes, we do have posts added. That's cool. Okay. Hate that we're going through this. Cool. So it's filtering out negative content. That's great. So cool. Okay, so we have our negative content filtered. This is actually working. So normally I would just deploy this and use it for a few days and see what's falling through the cracks. But maybe we'll take one go at an optimization. Okay, it's great that you're using the hard coded filters. Let's try using a really small and cheap model to look at all the posts on the page and quickly tell us which should be filtered out. So it's not just by keyword search, there's some reasoning on it. If you need to put some type of spinner to have the posts wait for like 1 second, I'm willing to wait on that. Yeah, this is my first time building this. I've been dying to have it. So I'm curious, like in the wild, what will work. Yeah. Speaking to what we're trying to build. Okay, I don't see any obvious negative things here. Okay, it looks like we're going to use OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini. So I've gone ahead and added my OpenAI API key and it added that cheat model in. Now let's look at my X feed to see what's going on with any loading. Okay, so I'm scrolling through. I'm not seeing any loading. But again, let's go to some type of search that we assume has hateful content. Oh, wow. So cool. Okay, let's see. Show anyway. Yes, that is hateful content and it was filtered out. Okay, this is great. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to keep this. And what's cool about a Chrome extension is this is good to go as is. I don't have to deploy it to use it. It pulled from my local manifest. We did that unpack. And now this is just here available for me to use. So I think ultimately, like in like 5-10 minutes, we set up our sentiment filter Chrome extension. I'm going to use this and see how it goes. I can imagine if I'm seeing a lot of that on my feed, I might start to add in toggles for, show me geopolitical news or world events, but maybe not. Maybe we don't need that. And this is good enough. I'm curious in my feed day to day how many of those flags I see and from which followers or which people. Oh no, I came up here. But yeah, cool. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. So if you ended up implementing this, let me know how it goes. I'll put up the repo in case folks want to reference that. But yeah, thank you for watching and happy building.